Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Gina. If you are new here, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you're most welcome. Thank you for your continuous love and support to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the shares, the comments, the likes. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. God bless you. Today I'm making suya spice. Stay tuned and watch to the end on how I achieve the making of this suya spice.
Here's the list of the ingredients I use in the making of the suya spice.
This KULIKULI, ginger, Uziza Seeds, clove, salt. This is salt, dry chili peppers, CALABASH nutmeg, dried garlic, stock cubes, black NEGRO pepper. So these are the combination of all the ingredients used in the making of suya spice. You can as well reduce the quantity of dry chili pepper you want to use, depends on the spiciness you want. So all the ingredients needs to be dried, ranging from the chili peppers, salt, with no usage of fresh garlic or usage of fresh ginger. Everything is dried. Let's see, this is dried ginger, dried garlic. Everything is dried, so I'll be blending everything dry. For this, I'm going to be removing the shell. I'll be using my mortar and pestle to crack the KULIKULI bit by bit. I'll be starting little by little just to crack it.
After cracking the KULIKULI, I removed the shell from the calabash nutmeg. Then I went ahead to add some portions of the ingredients into the blender and I blend it smooth. After blending, I pass it through a sieve to allow the ones that are properly blended to go into the bowl, and the ones that are not properly blended, adding it back into the blender so that it can be smooth. I did the blending of the spices bit by bit. I did it in 2 portions so as to help my blender. If your blender can accept all the ingredients on the go, you can just pour everything and allow it to blend. For me to get a perfect smooth powder, I just did it little by little. I did the first batch. After doing the first batch, then I repeated the same step for the other batch. After blending, I made use of the spatula to scrape the blender so that the ones that are not blended can be blended. Suya spice is also known as Yaji or suya pepper. It can be used for roasting or drilling. The first batch is already blended, so I turn it into the sieve and I sieve it. Then the ones that are not properly blended, I pour it back into the blender. It can be blended smoothly. Suya spice is perfect for drilling and roasting. To make use of it, just rub it on your beef, your fish, even plantain or yam. This one I showed right now is not properly blended. Then I pour it back into the sieve and I blended it. So I continued this process until I finish blending all the spices all the ingredients together. Everything has to be dried. After blending, the suya spice was hot. Allow it to get cold before pouring it into an airtight container. This is very important so as to prevent it from caking. When you want to use it, you don't need to start stressing yourself to start breaking it up before you use it. And that is it. Our Nigeria homemade suya spice is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share with your friends and families, and if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, please. On this channel, I share kitchen hacks, tips and recipes that will save your time in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.